How to record a transfer in ILROnline. ILRonline users have the convenience of transferring animals to customers in real time. To transfer an animal, go to the Actions drop-down selection and choose Animal Transfers. After the Animal Transfer option is clicked, the Animal Transfer screen will open. Enter a transfer date by clicking within the box and select the date of transfer using the calendar feature. Select a buyer by ensuring you are on the Purchaser Details tab. At the top of the page, you will find a personal list or buyers list. This is a list of your previous buyers from the last 3 years. Select a buyer from this list by clicking the drop-down arrow and selecting the relevant breeder. Then click the Select button so that the buyer's details automatically appear at the top of the page. If you are transferring to a new buyer or a buyer who is not yet saved in your personal list, you can search the system by using contact information. Enter the known member information and click Find. Once the buyer is found, click on the member so their information is highlighted in blue, and then click Select Highlighted so that their details appear at the top of the screen. If you have searched using the known information and cannot find the purchaser in the system, you can add a new non-member. To add a new non-member, click the Add New button under the Buyer's Details screen. Enter the information required and click Create or Find. The system will do a quick search to check for duplicated information. If the system finds duplicate information, review the member, and if you choose to use that account, select it and click Select Highlighted. If you feel the duplicate account that is shown is not correct, click Create New, Not in List. To maintain partial ownership on the animal or animals, be sure to click Add Self as Part Owner on the Buyer's Details screen, or select the appropriate linked account from the Personal List drop-down menu. Once you have the buyer or buyers selected, you will see them listed next to the Transfer Date box. If you are transferring to multiple breeders, it will only list their membership number and not the name of the member. To remove a buyer from the selected list, simply click the red cross located to the right of the buyer's information. Next, you will need to select the animals you wish to transfer. Select the Animals tab. Select one or multiple animals to transfer from the list of your registered animals by clicking in the box to the left of the animal's registration number. If you wish to transfer multiple animals at once, make sure there is a tick next to all of the animals you wish to transfer. Remember, multiple animals can only be transferred all at once if they are going to the same buyer or syndicate. If you have a lot of animals to sort through, you can use the search feature to help you narrow down your list. If you have any females selected, be sure to select if they are serviced or open. If selecting multiple service females, they will receive the same service details unless individually changed, so choose groups of females appropriately. You will have the opportunity to remove animals from the transfer or amend individual service details before completing the transfer. Once you have all animals selected, a transfer date entered, and you have completed the serviced or open details, if there are any females, you may then click the Select Animals button. If you selected Serviced in the drop-down menu for any females, then once you click Select Animals, the Service Details box will open. Enter the sire's registration number or select a sire from the drop-down if it's one you have used previously. Next, enter a service type and enter the dates of service. You can enter 2 different service details. If you have multiple females on your list, you can change the specific service details information on any of them by clicking on the service link. This will open up the service details box again, and you can make any changes needed, which will be applied to only that one particular animal. Be sure to click the Save button to save any changes made to the service details. If you selected an incorrect animal, you can remove it from the list by clicking in the box next to the animal's registration number and clicking Remove Animals. This will remove the animal from the selected animals list. Once you have finished entering all the transfer details, click Complete Transfer. Finally, head to Transactions, then Pending Transactions to submit your transfers and/or registrations.